You'll have love at first sight with the 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Hyundai Santa Fe. With bold, modern looks, standard infotainment, and the latest safety features. This spacious, versatile midsize crossover infuses every drive with comfort and confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, satellite radio, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, keyless start, fog lamps, Bluetooth connection, alarm. Make getting from point A to point B a thing of beauty in this refined and capable Santa Fe. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.